M0FXP, so we're just sorting out finding your COM port and changing the COM port when you're trying to set up YSX PDN-HRI mode. So obviously download the driver first, and I'll put this link in the description. It's SCU19 driver. Download that before you connect any cable. Right, so once the cable's connected, just the SCU19 or 39, then just open up your device manager. So right click and then there's your device manager. Now double click ports. Now when the radio is in HRI mode, this should show up. So let's put our radio in HRI mode. So let's turn it off. So we'll plug everything in. Everything's plugged in, and we'll hold down the F menu and the G button. F menu and G at the same time and turn it on. So a bit fiddly. Right. Oh, I must have pressed that wrong. Let me just move it out of the way. So it's F menu and G, and then turn it on, and we're now in YSX mode. Okay. Make sure your computer is detecting that. So it could be COM port 6. So let's try that out. The top one here, prolific USB to serial COM port 6. So let's try it. So now you've obviously installed YSX from the Yaesu YSX site, and let's refresh here, and then we'll look for COM port 6 at the bottom there, and let's click OK. And if you haven't selected the correct COM port, what will happen is, see here at the bottom where it says ready, it won't say ready, it will say transceiver not connected. So if we look up here, communication port, we've got file, go down to communication port. Now see the way it says 6. Now if I select a different one, 16, and click OK, there you are, invalid device. You see that? So you've got to select the right one. Like I said, mine says USB to serial. Then you click OK. And it should all start up again now. And eventually, it takes a few minutes, the bottom bit will populate with the local with all the stations and nodes and room numbers. And you can save favorites up here. You can right click, add to bookmark list, and it'll put one there. And you can do it with the stations here and underneath the rooms. So you've got the user ID here and the room ID. And so that's it. The whole point of this, and look, everything you do is sort of here in a log. So if you hit AB, see the way my radio is saying the frequency, that's because it's in access mode. So right now I could use another radio on that frequency you see to talk through this radio as if it was a hotspot, this FT5. If I hit AB, we're now in direct mode. So if I select a room here, now it's populated, like American Link here, right click, connect. Look, we're now in. So now I can chat with people, and these are all the stations connected to America Link. And if I key the mic, there you are, you heard that. So I could talk to him now if I wanted. And there's no RF, it's all wires and USB cables. And so I'm just showing you how to change your COM port when trying to set up YSX PDN. So 7.3, all the best.